afternoon, everyone. It is Mitchell, aka the Walking Orlando. Welcome over to Disney's Animal Kingdom, and welcome to Christmas officially here at Disney's Animal Kingdom. We are heading over today for actually 2 parks in one day, something we haven't done in a very long time. We're going to be starting here at Animal Kingdom to check out all the Christmas offerings, including the wooden characters at the very front. And then we're going to come over here, staying out for just a little bit, but then we're going to head on over to Hollywood Studios to check out Hollywood Sunset Seasons, which is the holiday offerings, the Christmas show they have on Sunset Boulevard, and check out all the things. So make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel, leave a like, and stick around for today's Christmas adventures here at Disney World. The best thing is this tree is officially back, and I love the fact that this tree is in the front of the park before you go into Animal Kingdom. So, but they have all the stuff from like Lion King. They have Jiminy Cricket right there. They have Tigger, Winnie the Pooh, Piglet. They even have Stitch in a train over there. They have Kirk. It's a really cool, I really like this tree a lot. Of course, then you have all the wreaths on top of the entrance sign above the ticket booths here. Man, I'm really excited. I love the Christmas decorations here at DAC. They're really nice, they're really subtle, but they're really fun because they're unique to Animal Kingdom. So you know, as here at Disney, they are very big about bubble blowers. They have normally aerial ones, normal ones, but they have a brand new one that is like Mickey through the years almost, because there's Steamboat Willie, there's normal Mickey, there's Conductor Mickey of the band, Sorcerer Mickey, normal Mickey, and then modern Mickey. So really cool. Though not really for the price that they usually offer. But what is nice is that you can buy the bubbles on your own. You can buy bubbles on its own, or you can just go and buy a giant gallon off of Amazon for 1/3 of the price. So walking up into Discovery Center, they have all of the little animals are out and about again. You know.
Thank you for all the scratches. Thank you too. You're so cute. Thank you. Hi. Any love? They're so cute.
I love them.
I love it so much. He's so happy.
Oh.
Hello.
Hi.
Hey.
Love, all the love. He's so pretty. Look at his beak.
Oh, I love his beak, yeah.
Beautiful, right?
Yeah.
Our little babies are running all around right now.
Yeah, we just saw a couple of them run that way.
Quite
So.
a handful, especially the older one. The one that's a handful.
Right, yeah, they always are.
Always.
Hi there.
Hi. Oh.
Look at his pink lip.
Yeah, he's got a little pink
No, his
lips.
pink cheek.
Yeah.
Can I pet him? Hi. Like our little puppies.
Oh my god.
He's so cute.
Bye.
It's the baby.
Yeah.
A baby.
This is Jolly.
Jolly, how cute.
She loves meeting new people.
Oh, I bet. Hello.
Hi, baby. Hello. He's so big.
Yeah.
Look at his antlers.
I love his antlers. So while you're here in Discovery Island, in front of the Tree of Life, check up here. You can see all the different like characters they have. They have squirrels, owls, birds, the deers, and everything. And then all of them up there. And of course, got the little ones. Got the kind of. Oh, there goes. So if you're interested, is that they actually have some of the characters as plushes. So they have the polar bear, which we haven't seen yet, only $30. But then they have the penguins, which are absolutely adorable. And he's actually a puppet. So you can actually put your hand inside of him, and now he's a puppet, see? He's a little puppet. And then you got his little wing. Absolutely adorable. So it looks like they're getting ready to swap out the characters for the wooden creatures because it looks like the reindeer are leaving, looks like the penguins have started heading in. So here in a few minutes, it looks like we should see some of the other characters. Hopefully we can see the fox. Fox was probably my favorite one last year. So if you come into the, what's the island mercantile over here, or Discovery Trading Company. Okay, is in the pin like case. They actually have the limited edition ones for the creatures. So they have the dove and the owl. So these are up on the roofs in like the paper mache that has like lights in them. Look like they're candles in it. So just right over here in this shop. So I want to take a quick swing over here to the Otter Grotto. See if maybe they're out. I don't think they will because I think it's either too cold or maybe past maybe dinner time for them. Oh, I can see them. Nope, they're still out. I can see them. There they are. They're the otters. Oh, there they go. Oh, he's running. He's running. He's running.
Let it go, let it go.
So something to always keep on, make sure with the wooden creatures here at Discovery Island is that they do have two different like groups. So you'll have the penguins will be out there with the reindeers, and then they have the polar bear with the fox and the birds. So, and when the polar bear comes out, then also the polar bear has a cub with her, so even cooler as well. So I really enjoy this. Like I was really sad when they didn't bring it back last year, but I understood why not last year. But this year, I'm really glad they did decide not only to bring it back, but keep it still going, because I think it's an amazing addition to Animal Kingdom. Also, another thing as well is that the penguin and polar bear plushes, the penguin, as you saw when I showed you guys, is a puppet. But what I didn't realize was the polar bear was one too. So I think it's really cool because the wooden creatures are controlled by people as like a puppet and stuff. So that is actually kind of cool to see that they've incorporated that into the stuffed animal side of it. All right, now walking up here to Expedition Everest, because we did get a return time. Since we are here, might as well go jump on to Expedition Everest. So I will put this camera away, but then have the GoPro with me, because I do always carry the GoPro now for any roller coasters that we want to ride. Actually, it looks badly at the front. still say, Expedition Everest, best coaster, probably one of the best rides, but also the best roller coaster on property because it's got the best theming. It's also probably the best ride itself because of the backward section in the dark, and that drop cannot beat the drop on Expedition Everest. It's fantastic. So I think now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do one more swing up to Discovery Island, check out any more characters that might be up there for the wooden characters, and then head on over to Hollywood Studios. So as we walk out of, oh, they did put it back on. So this is something I really like. It's kind of like the Osborne light or the dancing light, where they put these lights on it and it twinkles with the music. So we'll definitely have to come back a little bit later at night one night and check this all out. Maybe come back on TikTok one night and do a full live video watching that. So also with everything else here at Animal Kingdom, part of the cavalcades are like the floating like cavalcades, which I hope they kind of keep those because those are kind of nice to see around, is they've added Santa. Santa gets to hang out on one of the boats as he goes around Discovery Island and stuff. So make sure you guys do stick around to find those. I think they do have the official times listed in my Disney experience once again. So really kind of cool. So now we're gonna be heading out of Animal Kingdom now. So the next shot you'll see is us heading into Disney's Hollywood Studios for all the sunset greetings and all the Christmas stuff as well. And one little car ride later, literally in the span we left left Animal Kingdom to Hollywood here, it is now dark. And it's barely 6 p.m. So it tells you how quickly it does get dark here. So I'm really excited because Christmas decorations at studios are some of the best. I love walking in and there's Mickey and Minnie. I can get some photos with them. Still can't quite fully meet them, but you can meet Minnie on the red carpet now at a distance. Kind of like how you meet Mickey at Magic Kingdom, but I love meeting Mickey and Minnie. I love them up there. I also love all the Christmas decorations around them. I tell you what, I love Magic Kingdom and everything they have to offer, but the decorations here at studios, top notch every year, some of the best, and they one of my favorite things, and sunset season's greetings on Sunset Boulevard. So definitely check those out. Check out all the different varieties they have. Ooh, the line of ornaments, kick lining are down here at the very end. They finally brought them back. Though it was confirmed though, Jingle Bell Jingle Bam is not coming back this year. So unfortunately, that's a big disappointment for me. I was like one thing I was hoping they would also bring back, but they didn't. So now turn the corner down to Sunset Boulevard. Biggest things I'm real excited for is they're gonna be doing hopefully they've brought back the snow machines. Because you know, here in Florida, we don't get real snow. We have to make up our own snow. So that's where snow comes from.
House number 1. Wow, impressive. Good afternoon. I am Olaf.
Hey, Olaf!
Please let me finish, and I like warthogs. This is my associate's Ben. We're going door to door looking for family traditions. Tell us yours and we'll decide if it's special enough.
Oh, we make candy canes together.
Sugar rush.
You're supposed to eat it.
Eat my new nose? Why would I do that?
Because it's that time of year.
It's that time of year. Season's greetings here. I'm wondering what your family does at that time of year. Love and joy and peace on earth and tidings of good cheer. Do you have tradition things for that time of year?
We hang a mouse of evergreen on every single doorway.
Make a giant cookie in the wavy shape of Norway.
Go from door to door to door while singing the good choir.
Hang up all your giant socks above an open fire. That sounds safe. So happy, merry, Yuletide carol, faithful friends are dear. Thanks for sharing what you do at that time of year.
Hey, howdy, hey, and happy holidays. All those toys you get for Christmas, treat them nice.
Joyful gatherings at Christmas time are a gift you can give all year. Joyous tidings to you.
Well, Snope season has officially arrived here at Disney. So definitely, I always think this is one of the cooler things. Mostly because it does, on camera, look very, very much like actual snow. And I just land on my face. All the snow falling right now. Definitely always fun. It's always a interesting thing just because of how much of it they push off. I mean, literally how much is just falling on me right now. It literally looks like I am walking through snow. Love it. Love it though. So I definitely feel like Christmas now officially has begun here at Disney World because I've seen sunsets greetings here at Hollywood Studios. Honestly, like I said, this is my favorite thing every year. One of the coolest things. I mean, you literally are walking down Sunset Boulevard in Florida with snow falling down on you. Like, can't get any better than that. So walking into Toy Story Land, I don't think somewhere said that they are not going to be putting up the Toy Story Land Christmas decorations, which if they don't, we were really upset because I love seeing Woody with his scarf, and then they put up everyone else is wearing theirs. They also have the characters in their special wear, but I know the characters aren't out and about because of it. But I miss all the holiday decor in Toy Story Land. So they're not doing it this year. I hope they bring it back for sure next year. So we are going to go ahead and jump onto Slinky Dog Dash. What's probably going to end up happening is we're going to ride Slinky Dog Dash, and then I'm going to call it for the video here, just because the whole intent was to show you guys all the Christmas stuff, show you a few other things, ride a couple of rides. So we are probably going to call the video here once we do ride Slinky Dog Dash. So probably once we get done with everything. So, but I hope you guys did enjoy all of the other stuff, all the Christmas things from over at Disney's Animal Kingdom to over here with Sunset Greetings. So make sure you guys all do all that. Make sure, like I said, you guys are subscribed. But as again, we're going to jump on Slinky Dog Dash. But once we get off that, we're going to call it for the video here. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video and all the Christmas stuff, and we'll see y'all next time. But first, Slinky Dog Dash.